Scrolling through social media can leave you feeling behind, unworthy, or like everyone else is doing better. Constant comparison steals confidence. But there is a quick way to regain your self belief. One simple practice is to focus on your own wins. I'll show you how I do it in a way that's fast but effective. I just type a quick list of my 3 personal wins from the past week. You can do the same in your Notes app or paste it into Google Docs if that's easier. Reading them out loud daily reminds you of your progress, no matter what others are doing online. This is a small but powerful step, and it works immediately. But to truly stop letting comparison control your self worth, you need to reframe your story at the root. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge helps you do. With its 5 step method, you uncover limiting beliefs, reframe your experiences, and build confidence that sticks. On top of that, you get a personal one on one advisor and daily mantras from the 30 Days of Power and Purpose bonus to make your confidence truly unshakable. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and take your first step towards stopping comparison and building your confidence from within.